Welcome to another episode of eThekwini News in 60 seconds, your weekly roundup of municipal news that matters. eThekwini Mayor Councillor Cyril Xaba and safety and security industry experts engaged grade 12 learners from the Inanda, Duzuma and KwaMashu areas, guiding them towards opportunities in policing, law enforcement, emergency services, private security and disaster management. eThekwini Municipality continues to advance the repatriation of Malawian and other foreign nationals accommodated at the Durban Drive-In site. The municipality officially launched its hair and beauty salon business registration program at Umlazi, attracting 600 hair and beauty salon owners, operators, and industry stakeholders. The city reaffirmed its commitment and readiness to host the Hollywood Bats Durban July. That's it for this episode. Catch you next week.